For me, the real client to an insurance industry today is the old lady I met in Hoboken in New York after the Superstorm Sandy. She was about 80 years at that time. She lived in the house where she moved in when she just married with her husband a long time ago, of course. And she had lived there ever since. And her house was severely flooded and damaged. And what she found was that none of the 3 insurance policies that her husband had organized was ready to pay up for the damage to the house. And for me, that's maybe a small but an illustration of why there is so much distrust. And the distrust is not on the assumption that you are cheated, even though that might be the ultimate conclusion, but it's actually a distrust based on lack of understanding of how things work. And I think the insurance industry, together with many among us, have the opportunity to be part of that education process, but also to be a bit more holistic in the way it looks at risk and the opportunity to manage the risk with the client and how to insure it by maybe looking at all the risks in a community rather than just a singular risk, and see how that can turn into a new opportunity to produce a product that fits that particular client.